In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily access and use Google Sheets on your computer. Whether you prefer to use it directly in your browser or install it as a desktop app for a more seamless experience, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and explore both options. First, let's talk about using Google Sheets directly in your browser, which is the simplest method. It's a great choice if you want to get started quickly without any installations. To do this, open up your preferred web browser, either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. These browsers are optimized for Google applications, so they'll provide the best performance. Simply type in the URL, sheets.google.com, and you'll find yourself prompted to sign in with your Google account. It's important to have your login details handy, as this allows you to access your saved spreadsheets and utilize all of Google Sheets' features. Once you've signed in, you can begin using Sheets instantly. No waiting, no additional installations required. It works on any PC, making it a versatile option for those who need quick access to spreadsheets from anywhere and at any time. For those looking for an enhanced experience, you might want to consider installing Google Sheets as a desktop app. This option gives you the feel of using a real application, and it's particularly useful if you prefer having Google Sheets readily available on your desktop. Let's go through how you can set this up using Google Chrome. Begin by opening Google Sheets in your Chrome browser, just as you did before. Once the page has loaded, direct your attention to the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser. It's called the More menu. From this menu, navigate to the option titled Cast, Save, and Share. Within this dropdown, you'll see an option to Install Page as App. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to confirm the installation. Simply click Install, and you're all set. The Sheets app will now behave like a traditional desktop application, giving you convenient access right from your taskbar or Applications folder. This setup offers a more integrated experience and can be particularly handy if you frequently work with Google Sheets. Both methods offer their own advantages, so whether you choose to use Google Sheets directly in your browser or install it as a desktop app, you're sure to benefit from its powerful features and convenience. Thank you for tuning in today. Feel free to explore other videos for more tips and tricks that can help streamline your digital tasks even further.